Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the future of technology and how Mark Zuckerberg is aiming to change the world with a revolutionary new project called Orion. If you haven't heard about it yet, Orion is one of the most ambitious projects by Facebook, now Meta, that aims to redefine how we interact with the digital world. So, what is Orion, and how is it going to change our lives? Let's find out. Section 1. What is Orion? Orion is Meta's augmented reality, AR, smart glasses project that's set to replace smartphones. The goal is to create a wearable device that does everything your phone does. Answer calls, send messages, browse the internet, and even display digital content directly in your line of sight. Imagine having all your apps, notifications, and information in front of you without needing to take out your phone. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The glasses use cutting-edge AR technology to blend the digital world with the real one, providing you with an experience that's not just interactive but immersive. With Orion, Meta aims to create a seamless integration between our physical and virtual lives. Section 2. Key features of Orion. 1. Hands-free experience. Orion smart glasses are designed to be operated hands-free. They use voice commands, gesture controls, and possibly eye-tracking technology, meaning you can control everything without even touching the device. 2. Integrated artificial intelligence, AI. Orion will be powered by advanced AI that can understand your surroundings and provide real-time information, making it feel like you have a virtual assistant with you at all times. 3. Augmented reality displays. Orion overlays digital content onto your real-world view. For example, you could get directions projected onto the street as you walk or see notifications pop up in your field of vision without interrupting your daily activities. 4th, social integration. As expected from Meta, social connectivity is at the heart of Orion. You'll be able to interact with friends, share experiences, attend virtual meetings, or even play AR games together, no matter where you are. 5. Replacing smartphones. One of the boldest claims is that Orion will one day replace our smartphones entirely. Instead of looking down at a screen, you'll interact with the digital world through the glasses, making the experience more natural and less isolating. Section 3. How Mark Zuckerberg plans to change the world with Orion. Mark Zuckerberg's vision for Orion goes beyond just creating a fancy piece of technology. He believes that AR has the power to change how we live, work, and connect. Here's how. 1. Redefining communication. Imagine being able to have a face-to-face conversation with someone across the globe as if they were standing right in front of you. Orion aims to make communication more personal, immersive, and interactive, allowing us to feel more connected than ever. 2. Enhancing productivity. By integrating AI and AR, Orion will help users access information more efficiently. Whether you're in a meeting, working on a project, or simply exploring a new place, the smart glasses can provide relevant data, reminders, and suggestions to boost productivity. 3. Transforming education and learning. With AR capabilities, students can experience interactive learning. For instance, medical students can practice surgeries in a virtual environment. Engineers can visualize complex designs, and history enthusiasts can take virtual tours of ancient civilizations. 4th, revolutionizing entertainment. Orion will enable an entirely new way of experiencing entertainment. Whether it's watching a movie, playing a game, or attending a concert, AR technology will make it feel like you're right in the middle of the action, providing an immersive experience like never before. 5. Supporting the Metaverse vision. Mark Zuckerberg's ultimate goal is to create a Metaverse, a virtual universe where people can work, play, socialize, and shop. Orion is a crucial step in building this Metaverse, as it offers a more natural and seamless way to access virtual spaces and experiences. Section 4. Challenges and controversies. As exciting as Orion sounds, there are challenges and controversies to consider. Privacy concerns are a big issue, as these glasses have the potential to record everything around you. Data security and how Meta plans to handle such vast amounts of information are also critical questions that need answers. Moreover, there are questions about the impact of AR on mental health and how society might adapt to living in a world where the line between reality and digital experiences is blurred. Conclusion. In summary, Orion is not just another tech gadget. It's a glimpse into the future that Mark Zuckerberg and Meta envision for us. It has the potential to change how we communicate, learn, entertain ourselves, and even perceive the world around us. As with any groundbreaking technology, there will be challenges, but if executed well, Orion could revolutionize the way we live and interact with the digital world. What do you think about Orion? Are you excited, or do you have concerns about how this technology will impact our future? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.